Are you ready to brave the turbulent waters of today's market? As geopolitical tensions rise and uncertainty looms, the ground beneath us shifts. Welcome to AI Finance Buddy, your guide to understanding the latest market trends and key stock movements. Today, we'll explore the mixed signals of the market. Tech stocks, like Roblox, RBLX, are soaring, while Sarepta Therapeutics, SRPT, faces a steep decline. We'll also uncover vital lessons on renting versus buying a home, insights that could transform your financial future. Stay with us, for by the end of this episode, you'll be armed with knowledge to make wise investment choices and inspired by a remarkable success story. Let's embark on this journey together. Chapter 1, Today's Market News. Today, the market breathes a mixed air. Investors are on edge, reacting to geopolitical tensions after U.S. missile strikes on Iranian nuclear sites. Caution reigns, especially in energy and technology. The tech sector shines, buoyed by strong earnings, while energy stocks feel the weight of rising oil prices. All eyes are on inflation data and Federal Reserve announcements, which could steer the market's course. Let's look at the top 3 biggest stock movers. First, Roblox, RBLX, is igniting excitement, soaring nearly 85% since April. UBS has upgraded it to buy, praising its impressive revenue growth from the new game, Grow a Garden. This game has captivated users, significantly boosting earnings. With a market cap around $70 billion, Roblox stands as a compelling long-term investment. Next, Sarepta Therapeutics, SRPT, faces a tempest, plummeting 42% after 2 patient fatalities linked to its Duchenne muscular dystrophy drug, Elevidys. An investigation for potential securities fraud looms, casting uncertainty. Analysts have downgraded the stock, urging caution. With a market cap of about $1.89 billion, tread carefully here. Finally, FactSet, FDS, missed earnings expectations but reported solid revenue growth, leading to a slight dip. Revenues hit $585.5 million, surpassing estimates, yet earnings per share fell short. Still, FactSet maintains a positive outlook, reflecting strong client demand. With a price-to-earnings ratio that shows investor confidence, it remains a stable choice in the financial data sector. Today's market whispers caution, especially in tech and energy, as geopolitical tensions linger. Keep a watchful eye on upcoming earnings and inflation data for clearer insights. In these turbulent waters, staying informed and adaptable is your guiding light. Chapter 2, Simple Finance Terms Explained. Let's break down some simple finance terms. First, the beta coefficient. Imagine the stock market as a vast ocean. The beta coefficient reveals how a stock rides the waves. A high beta stock is a thrilling surfboard, dancing wildly on the crests and troughs. In contrast, a low beta stock is a steady boat, gliding smoothly across calm waters. Next, an angel investor. Picture an angel investor as a guiding star for startups. They invest their own money, nurturing fledgling businesses like a gardener tending to young plants. With hope and vision, they watch these seeds grow into mighty trees, bearing fruit for all to enjoy. Then, we have acquisition. An acquisition is a powerful union, where one company embraces another. It's like a majestic eagle swooping down to claim a smaller bird, merging strengths and resources. This union aims to create something greater, enhancing the whole, much like a chef adding a secret spice to elevate a dish. In the world of finance, every number tells a story, and every investment holds a dream. Embrace these concepts, for they are the keys to unlocking potential and growth. Chapter 3, Top Stock Pick of the Day. Today, let's explore why ExxonMobil, XOM, shines as a compelling investment choice. First, consider these 3 powerful financial indicators. 1. The price-to-earnings ratio. With a P/E ratio of 15.03, XOM stands below its industry average. This suggests it may be undervalued, offering you a chance to invest wisely. 2. The dividend yield. XOM boasts a robust dividend yield of 3.51%. This means steady income flows to you, simply for holding the stock. 3. Financial stability. With a low debt-to-equity ratio of 0.14 and a high interest coverage ratio of 30.30, XOM is financially strong. It carries less debt and can easily manage its interest payments, ensuring resilience in challenging times. Yet, remember, investing in oil and gas carries risks. Fluctuating oil prices, environmental regulations, and global economic shifts can affect XOM's performance. In essence, ZIM presents a solid opportunity with its strong financials and income potential. Just stay mindful of the sector's risks. Happy investing. Chapter 4, Core Long-Term Strategy with ETF. Picture this, you dream of a vibrant garden, yet your budget is modest. Enter ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, your bouquet of investment. They allow you to gather a variety of companies in one go, making investing simpler and more affordable. Essential for long-term growth, they spread your risk and flourish over time. Now, envision the MSCI World Index as a global map, showcasing the finest blooms from 23 developed nations. By embracing the MSCI World, you unlock the beauty of diversification, safeguarding against the perils of putting all your eggs in one basket. The MSCI World Index is a vast basket, brimming with stocks from 23 developed countries. Recently, the iShares MSCI World ETF has gained attention, simplifying your path to invest in this index. Currently, world stocks face challenges after a strong start to the year. For example, the iShares MSCI Poland ETF soared 42% this year but recently dipped below a crucial level. Curious about the MSCI World Index? Live updates and historical data are just a click away, offering insights into global market performance and guiding your investment journey. Remember, investing carries risks. Stay focused on the long term and your unique needs. Chapter 5, Quick Financial Lesson. When choosing between renting and buying a home, reflect on your financial dreams and lifestyle. Renting offers freedom. If you're a young professional, it lets you move easily for new opportunities, without the burden of selling a house. Buying a home, however, is an investment in your future. Each mortgage payment builds equity, like planting seeds for tomorrow's harvest. Picture this, you purchase a cozy home for $200,000. As time passes, its value may rise, allowing you to sell for a profit and grow your wealth. Yet, homeownership carries responsibilities, maintenance and property taxes can weigh heavy. So, what's your path? Consider your current life and future aspirations. If you seek stability and can manage the costs, buying may be your answer. If you crave flexibility and lower initial expenses, renting could be your best fit. Create a list of your priorities, job security, financial goals, and lifestyle choices, to guide your decision between renting and buying. Your future awaits. Chapter 6, Real Stories of Financial Success. In the late 1990s, Vicki Robin, a visionary in Washington State, co-founded the FIRE movement, inspired by her transformative book, Your Money or Your Life. Over 10 years, she reshaped her financial destiny through frugality and wise investments. Focusing on low-cost index funds, especially the S&P 500 ETF, she unlocked the magic of compound interest. With dedication, she grew her net worth from a humble $10,000 to over $1 million by the early 2000s. Vicki's journey reveals profound lessons about mindful spending and aligning money with our deepest values. Her story is a beacon, reminding us that financial independence is within reach through intentional choices and smart investing. Embrace your financial power today, your future self will be forever grateful. Chapter 7, Summary and Personal Investment Strategy. Thank you for being with us today. Let's recap the key insights we shared. In Chapter 1, today's market news, the market is mixed, with caution in energy and tech due to geopolitical tensions. Roblox, RBLX, is thriving, while Sarepta, SRPT, faces hurdles. FactSet, FDS, shows resilience, reminding us to stay informed as we navigate these turbulent waters. In Chapter 2, Simple Finance Terms Explained, we uncovered vital finance terms. The beta coefficient measures stock volatility. Angel investors nurture startups, while acquisitions merge companies for strength. Grasping these concepts is essential for your investment journey. In Chapter 3, Top Stock Pick of the Day, ExxonMobil, XOM, shines with a low PE ratio, strong dividend yield, and solid stability. It's a compelling investment, but remember the risks in the oil and gas sector. In Chapter 4, Core Long-Term Strategy with ETFs, like the MSCI World Index, offer a diversified approach, spreading risk and growing your portfolio over time. They allow you to invest in many companies without breaking the bank. In Chapter 5, Quick Financial Lesson, when choosing between renting and buying a home, reflect on your lifestyle and goals. Renting offers flexibility, while buying builds equity. Prioritize your needs to guide your decision. Today, I'm adding $15 to my MSCI World Index investment and experimenting with $10 in a fractional share of our best buy pick, ExxonMobil, XOM, both with 1-to-1 leverage to emphasize cautious, diversified investing. Remember, earning more doesn't negate the need for budgeting. High earners can still struggle without proper management. Budgeting is crucial at any income level for building lasting wealth. Take a look at your grocery bill today. Could you save by switching brands? Small steps lead to significant financial success. Before you go, always do your own research, test strategies, and consult a financial advisor. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps us grow and keeps you informed. Join us next time as we continue to build your financial knowledge. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments, and enable notifications so you never miss valuable insights. Thank you for watching, and happy investing.